Howdy everyone, this is Grant Bynum with Uptown 101. This is my channel, Best Styles Apartments. Hey, I'm here at the Fairway North Fields. The Fairway North Fields, these are new and quite simply gorgeous apartments. These are actually in the Frisco area, but they're actually really close to Prosper as well. What we're going to be doing is we're going to tour these. We're going to give you the best tour ever online. It's going to be detailed but very quick also, and we're going to do this about 12 videos, and they're very super quick. You're going to be able to watch these, and you don't need to tour in person. Just watch these. These will be better than if you tour. This is in a great area. It's near the PGA in Frisco that everybody is talking about. It's just absolutely beautiful. So the PGA is exciting. It has a lot of people excited about this area, and this is a beautiful, gorgeous area just in general. Hey, if you have any questions at any time about anything you're seeing, send me a text. Just use the number below. The next video, we're actually going to walk around a little bit and talk a little bit more about this area. So stick around. The next video is rolling right now.